Hey everybody, I'm calling this video LipSense 101 because I want to just go over the basics of what the heck this stuff is, how do you use it if you're new, and also for those of you who have tried it and maybe you think you don't like it, I've got some troubleshooting tips that will probably help work out any issues you were having. So first of all, what is LipSense? It's a liquid lip color that's long lasting, waterproof, smudge proof, lasts all day. The thing about it though is it has a slightly different application technique than normal lipstick. So if you're not putting it on the right way, you're not gonna get great results and not be happy. Trick number one to LipSense, you gotta shake it. There's pigments in there and they have to be dispersed in the liquid. So make sure you shake it at least 10 seconds before applying. Rule number two, your lips have to be clean and dry. This product molecularly, that's a big word, bonds to your lips. So if there's anything on your lips at all, it will interfere with that bonding and it won't last. So I usually use just a wet washcloth. You can use a wet cotton ball, whatever you want. Just want to make sure your lips are clean and dry. Another quick tip, I often use witch hazel to prime my lips. I feel like I just get a little bit longer wear time when I do that. So once you're ready to apply it, your lips are clean and dry, you've shaken your product, you're gonna take out the applicator, and the key to LipSense is you want thin layers, okay? Think nail polish. So you're gonna wipe off the excess to make sure you don't have too much. And then you're gonna apply 3 thin layers, and while you apply them, you're gonna keep your lips stretched and taut, like this. You'll notice I did not swipe back and forth or go over the same area twice. I go one swipe and then one on the water line and then let it dry. Once that's dry, go on with layer 2. So once that 3rd layer is dry, you're ready to apply your glossy gloss. This is essential to wearing LipSense. You cannot wear LipSense without the gloss. They work as a team. The gloss seals in the color. Also, the gloss is loaded with shea and vitamin E, and the color is permeable. So the whole time you're wearing the lip color, this gloss is seeping through the color and into your lips and hydrating them. So let's talk about some troubleshooting tips. Here's the things I hear most often. Number 1, LipSense burns when I put it on. If you are experiencing, Lord have mercy, any tingling or burning when you're applying it, there's a very simple explanation for that. There is cosmetic grade alcohol in LipSense, okay? It's completely safe, it's not gonna hurt you. And the reason it's in there is because it's the delivery system for the pigment. So as you swipe it on your lips, alcohol obviously evaporates very quickly, and as it evaporates, that's what deposits and seals the color onto your lips, okay? So that's why you can do this. But if you have any dryness or cracks or chapped situation going on your lips, you're gonna feel that sting from the alcohol. I guarantee you right now, every other product you're using on your lips, chapstick, Blistex, other lipsticks, etc., they're loaded with wax. Wax keeps moisture out, so your lips are dry. If you will stop using all that stuff, your lips will slowly exfoliate that wax buildup. And as you continue to use these products every day and that shea and vitamin E hydrates your lips, I promise you, not only will the stinging stop after a couple days and your lips heal, but your lips will be softer and healthier than ever. Troubleshoot tip number 2. If you are having a situation where your LipSense doesn't stay on and it's flaking off or getting on your wine glass or your napkin or whatever, and you're not getting that lasting power, here's what is usually the culprit. 1, you're putting on too thick of layers. The layers need to be thin, okay? Make sure you're swiping off the excess product and getting very thin layers. 2, you're not keeping your lips stretched and tight the whole drying time. But until those layers dry, keep your lips like this. And number 3, you're not giving enough drying time. So make sure you're giving plenty of dry time between those layers. You can do the touch test, so if you're waiting on a layer to dry and you're not sure if it's dry, touch it. If it's tacky, give it another 10 to 15 seconds. Another tip, if you make a mistake, what do? This doesn't exactly just wipe off like regular lipstick. Well, that's where the third piece of your starter kit comes in. That's the oops remover. Let's say you got outside the lines. That's a problem. So you take your remover, you just swipe that remover right on the mistake, let it marinate for about a minute. You can't wipe it off immediately. It has to soak in and break down the pigments. But let it soak in for a sec and then take a Q-tip or tissue or whatever and wipe that mistake away and it will be gone. This is also how you're gonna take it off at the end of the day. A tip with that, people think they don't like the oops remover because they rub it on and then try to immediately remove the LipSense. Same thing, you gotta let it marinate for a minute or two to break down all that color. So the bottom line is this product is amazing. It's a life changer when it comes to lipstick. No more lipstick on your teeth and your glass and your napkin and your man and your kids and everything else. You can literally look put together all day with no mess and no stress if you're using it properly. So hopefully these tips can help you. Make sure you love your LipSense and you're using it the right way. And of course, I'm here if y'all have any questions. Thank you for watching.